Good evening. Welcome to Digital Trading Flow. We provide access to digital trading flow where we disseminate financial data real time to provide actionable insights for educational purpose using live streaming technologies. Follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and I will teach you how to analyze real time data and how you can trade in the markets. Today agenda is Nifty multiple time frame analysis and what is our view for 4th September, and we would be seeing option max pain, as well as we'll be having a look at straddle charts, as well as we will discuss our watch list for tomorrow, and I will also show you how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's start with Nifty multiple time frame analysis. If you see over here, today the September 3rd September option contracts expired today, and at 11,527 is currently where Nifty 50 is currently at. This is the spot chart. So if you look at this chart over here, this is the monthly candle right now. As you can see, the monthly candle is trading above its open, which is 11,464. So market is above its open, that's why this candle is green. And if we see the weekly candle, it opened at 11,777. So it is in conflict with the monthly time frame. Due to this conflict, markets are usually choppy right now, which you can also see right now. And if we see over here, on Monday we had an outside bar, and on Tuesday we had an inside bar, and on Wednesday we broke to the upside, because on Tuesday the high was 11,553.55, and on Wednesday the high was 11,554.75. So technically we broke out from the inside candle to the upside, and today we opened gap up and we started falling down, and today was expiry also. But you can see over here, technically we are trading up right now, because over here you'll see higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So our analysis for tomorrow would be is as follows. Above 11,527 we are likely to trade to 11,604, and below 11,507 we are likely to trade below 11,450 levels, and in between 11,527 and 11,504 we would have a neutral bias, and we would refrain from trading in between 11,527 and 11,507. And now, next on the agenda would be option max pain. And as we discussed previously, the 3rd September contract which expired today had max pain of 11,500. So market is likely to expire at 11,500, as it's the place where least amount of money is lost by option writers. So you can see today as well, market expired, the Nifty spot was 11,527, and if we see for next weekly contract, the max pain is again at 11,500. Rest as the contract starts trading tomorrow, we'll see whether this max pain shifts up or shifts down. And next on the agenda is straddle charts. First I'll show you the straddle snapshot for strikes 11,800 till 11,300. You can see that 11,500 in this week itself, it decayed almost 200 plus points over here. Basically, when the market formed an outside bar on Monday, premium rose so much that institutionals, they started writing options at 11,500, and which was evident from the max pain, and market eventually expired around 11,500 levels only. And I can also show you Nif straddle chart of 11,500. So you can see from there on Monday, from Monday we basically are breaking previous day lows on 11,500 straddle consistently. On Monday we broke, on Tuesday we broke, on Wednesday we broke, and today again we traded below previous day low on the straddle. So this also provided us clue that market was going to expire at near about 11,500 levels. If it for it the market to move, this straddle needs to rise or trade at higher levels. Until and unless that doesn't happen, probability is high that market is going to remain sideways to choppy. Now next on the agenda are stock watch list for tomorrow, and I'll like to showcase my watch list, which is SBI Life, HDFC Life, Cipla, Hero Motocorp, Pyramid Enterprises, as well as Adani Entertainment. I can show the charts right now. If we see, these all stocks are the stocks which had an inside day today. So we can see Adani Enterprises, sorry, Adani and Enterprises. If it trades above 299, we are going to buy this stock, and if it trades below 287, we are going to sell this stock. Same for Cipla. If it trades above 746, we're going to buy, and if it trades below 735, we're going to sell this stock. And then HDFC Life, if it trades above 589, we're going to buy this stock, and if it trades below 579, we're going to sell the stock. Hero Motocorp again formed an inside candle today, and if it trades above 3007, we're going to buy, and below 2930, we're going to sell this stock. And what's interesting in Pyramid Enterprises is that you can see that it had yesterday it had an inside candle, and today again it had an inside candle. So whichever way it breaks, it's going to possibly give us a explosive move. So we are going to buy this above 1375, and we're going to sell this below 1337. We just have to see the price action. And for SBI Life, again it's an inside candle, and above 864 we're going to buy this stock, and below 851 we're going to sell this stock. Our analysis is very simple, and we just have to trade based on price action. And now I'm going to show you how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. All you have to do is log into www.digitaltradingflow.org and go to pricing. There you can see that I would be launching the digital trading floor on 14th November. I would be broadcasting on YouTube for everyone, for the general public, from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and I would be live streaming my own trading, and from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. it's going to be a private live stream for our subscribers only, and subscription is free. If you click on this 12-month free subscription, it will take you to my partner website, and from here you can open an account with Samco, and you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9876775589, and from then you'll get access to this live stream technically from 9:15 to 3:30 free of cost for 12 months. just by opening a account on Samco. And the benefits of opening account with Samco is that you get 100% brokerage cashback for 1 month. There won't be any commission charged for the first month or first 20 trades.